Hey, welcome back to Hackware Bro. Today we are gonna talk about how to use an IP logger in an effective way, as well as I will also tell you how can you prevent yourself from the IP logger. So without wasting any more time, let's move towards the intro. This video is only for an educational purposes. First of all, let me tell you what does IP logger do. It simply helps us to grab anyone's IP address as well as some more important data. Okay, you can create IP logger in the form of links as well as in the form of images. There are many websites from where you can create your own IP logger, but I will talk about the most popular one, which is Grabify.link. You can get all the links in the description below, so don't forget to check out the description. Okay, now you have to give the URL on which you want to redirect your victim. Okay, so I am copying my Twitter account URL. By the way, you can follow me on my Twitter account to get more informative material from here. Just like you can see here, face search engine, reverse image search. You can go on my Twitter account to check more about it. Okay, so I copied my URL here. Now let me put it here, and then let's create it. I agree. Now your IP logger has been created. Keep this link with you in a safe place so that you can track the records of your IP logger. So let's explore this window. First of all, let me verify that is my IP logger link is grabbing the data or not. So let me copy this link and then let me open this in Tor browser for my privacy concerns. Okay, by the way, I would like to suggest you all guys that you should use Brave browser, because in Brave browser you will get by default Tor. Okay, so let me open this window right here and then let me paste the link here. Now you can see here that I have to solve CAPTCHA due to Tor browsing. Okay, so let me solve the CAPTCHA here. I'm fast forwarding this part. Okay, now I verified myself through CAPTCHA. Now I think Grabify is grabbing my data right here, so it might take some time. Right, now let's check our data in an IP logger. Let's refresh the screen here. Now you can see the result over here, but this is completely fake. Now you can see this IP is a Tor exit node, right? This is not my IP. This is completely fake due to Tor browsing. Okay, now you can see some of the data over here. Now let me show you some more features of this IP logger. Now you can see here a smart logger option, right? Let me enable this, and then now I'm copying this link and then let me open this again to show you what's the difference between smart logging and simple logging. Okay, now let's check our IP logger. Let me refresh it again. Now you can see two results over here, one of my previous result and one of my new result by enabling smart logging. Okay, let me show you what's the difference between them. Let me duplicate this window so that I can compare these two data. Now you can see here is the data from smart logging, whereas here is the data from simple logging. Right, now you can see here date, time, IP address, Tor detection and country is same is of simple detection, right? But there is an additional data over here, right, till GPU. Okay, whereas browser, operating system and except touch screen and platform, other data is same as of simple logging, right? So let me show you one thing. If anyone is trying to open your link using VPN or using Tor browser, then you can identify his real location by seeing a time zone. But this is not my time zone. Okay, I changed my time zone to trick you guys. Okay, you can also trick anyone by changing your time zone as well. I recommend you all guys that you should change your time zone so that no one can identify where you are located. Okay, I hope this might be clear to all you guys. Then now let me show you one terrible feature of IP logger. First of all, let me tell you that, as I said you earlier, that this is the most popular website to create an IP logger, right? Means majority of your victims can identify this link as an IP logger, right? So what will you do? Simply you have to change your domain name, or you can change link shorteners. Let me show you one terrible thing. Now you can see here, this looks like Google, means anyone can blindly trust on that link and you can easily trick anyone with that link. Let me show you one more thing. Fortunately, Google has closed down all of Google links, okay, but you can use adfree links, or BCVC, or SUGD, or Katli as well. So let me close this, but I recommend you guys that you should use the domain name feature, because now you can see here, means you can create a completely sugar coated link to trick anyone easily. Now you can see here lovebird.guru, as well as other half.life, as well as progaming.monster, means you can easily trick your friend as well. Join my site. Let me create an invite link for my friend, just like gamingfun.me, and I am creating an invite link. Invite. Now you can see a sugar coated link over here. Let me copy this for later use and let me close. Now you can explore by yourself, because I just only wanted to mention few main important points, just like smart logging, just like changing domain name. Okay, so let's move towards how can you prevent yourself from the IP logger. First and foremost step towards the security, that whenever you get any type of link from anywhere that looks suspicious, then you should go to the website, which is hackwarebro.com, and then just put just like, let me copy this link and just put it here, so that you can identify that where this link redirects you. Okay, now you can see here, this link redirects you to grabify.link, which means anyone can grab your IP address as well as some more important data, right? So it means you can identify any link easily. Now I can go to that link by skipping this link, right? Now it's very easy step, and I recommend you guys that you should always use this website for your security concerns. You can also use Tor browser as well. You can also use VPN too, but as I said you earlier, that anyone can identify through your time zone as well, so you should change your time zone too. Okay, I hope this video might be helpful for you guys. If you have any query regarding this video, then you can drop down on the comment section below, and thanks for watching this video.